Artificial intelligence is shaping the world around us. But how do young learners begin to understand it? Introducing Discover AI. Qubits AI learning experience designed for young minds. Through exploration, creativity, and play, students begin to understand how AI sees, listens, learns, and responds. They don't just use technology, they start thinking with it. With hands-on activities, real-world connections, and guided inquiry, learning becomes engaging, meaningful, and age-appropriate. From understanding patterns to thinking about fairness and responsibility, students begin their journey as thoughtful and creative problem solvers. Discover AI where curiosity meets intelligence, and young learners take their first step into the world of AI. Register now